Hello, today we're going to have a look at a Seeley International Magiqtouch controller connected to a Seeley compatible cooler and just have a look at basic operation. You can currently see it's off as indicated by the grey button top left hand corner. To turn the cooler on, we push the on button. You can see now that it's come on in fan only, or otherwise known as vent mode. So all this does is bring outside air in, so there's no cooling, just bringing whatever the outside air temperature is into the home. If you want it to cool, we need to switch to cooling, so we need to push the cool button. And you now see we have two modes. So currently we're in temperature mode, so the user can adjust the temperature. And we get pre-wet come up when it's first turned on, which is allowing it to fill up with water, and that'll stay on for some time until the water tank is filled up and the pumps have wet the pads to allow cool air to come in. As you can see, the pre-wet has now gone away and the unit will come on and begin blowing air into the home. As the pads are wet, the air will be cooler than if it had started straight away. So as you can see now, we're currently in temperature mode, as indicated by the blue temperature, and we can adjust the temperature. Doing this lets us set a temperature and the thermostat will run to that temperature, and the unit will control the fan speed. The user cannot control the fan speed in temperature mode. Your other mode in here is speed. So if we switch to speed mode, the customer or the owner can now set the fan speed, but they cannot set a temperature. So if you set it to speed 7, it'll stay at speed 7 all day and all night, even if it gets cold outside. It will not run to a temperature. Up here, the little temperature in the house shows the current temperature in the room, so that's room temperature. We're setting fan speed 7. If we go back to temperature mode, we can now see that it's 25, it's 23 in the house, so the cooler's turned off because it's already warmer in the cooler in the house than the set point. If I turn the set point down, you'll see this area will highlight blue. That indicates it's now cooling because we've now gone level or below the room temperature. So the key point to remember is these two modes, speed and temperature, are both independent modes. Switching between the two is like switching to another mode. So you cannot set the fan speed here and then go back to temperature mode. It will not hold that fan speed. When we finish with the unit, we can turn it off by hitting the off button.